Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. I'm going to be teaching you how to put your wipers in service mode on the front wipers. The back one you don't need to because you can access them very easily. But this one is a bit of a hard thing to change. Well, it's not that hard, but it's more hassle to change like that. And you can service them like this. It's called service position. So the way to get into service mode is turn your car into electric mode or even petrol, it doesn't matter. So just turn the key once. You got the car on. Then all you do is switch off the car. Put your wiper down once, and now you are in service mode, so your wipers will stay up like this. So from this position you can pull the wipers towards you, and then you can take out the wipers, clean them, whatever you want to do, and then when you're finished all you have to do is put it back in electric mode, press it down once and it's gone again. So all you do is pressing your wiper down once. It's just there. I've got a video on the wiper controls and everything, so go check that out as well. And yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. This was a quick tutorial for you guys if you don't know how to do this. I didn't know how to do it when I first got it, but I just figured it out one day. It just happened by accident, and yeah, that's how it works. See you guys next time. Goodbye.